dated.
You want me to back this in there?
Make it easier.
Carroll mount is dated. And the optics is in this box.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say this don't do me any good. Look at this.
There's the equatorial cord over there. You can see it's got the square base for mounting on a pillar.
Holy crap!
You don't want it?
Are you kidding me?
She don't want it. She says, I don't want this crap.
Look at this.
This is classic stuff.
Look at that. Hang on, there's. Hi, are you Christy?
Catherine.
Catherine. Hi, I'm Jamie.
Hi, Jamie. How are you?
So this is our 1951 Carroll.
Huh? That thing is badass.
It's pretty cool. This is historic.
Yeah, the vintage appeal on this alone is
Well,
spectacular.
and this is actually a mirror. I don't know if we're going to get that off. There we go.
Uh-oh.
So down here is a mirror.
Right.
Hits this mirror, comes out to the icons. But we want this to be, I mean, we're going to redo the mirror and the whole bit. This is going to work. And the name tag was just screwed on, so we'll make sure we're going to probably leave that in the original condition. Absolutely. Just so there's one thing that you don't update, you know, you leave that as old as it is. I don't know.
I'd really like to do something spectacular with this.
You got an idea what that's going to cost me? $1 million?
I mean, if we were just to shoot it all the standard low gloss gray, we'd probably be looking about $700 for everything. And if we were to attempt to do that black on the inside as well, which we may not be able to accomplish.
Well, if we went with the basics, like this black,
Right.
this black,
Yeah, those are all doable. So we'd be looking between 8 and 1,000, depending on how deep we got. Yeah.
You better start that GoFundMe. We're not really sure what we're going to do with it end run, okay, because it does belong to our astronomy club, the San Bernardino Valley Amateur Astronomers.
Oh, okay.
But it's possible that this is just going to be museum.